In this video lesson, we'll be looking at the exponent law where we raise a power to a power. So in this example, we have the variable a to the power of m, in parentheses, all raised to the power of n. So with that, we simply say that a is equal to m times n. So in the previous lesson, we were adding the exponents, but here we are going to multiply the exponents. That's because we have a power raised to a power. All right, so we will take a look at some examples, make sure we understand. So again, using x, let's say we have x squared, and then in parentheses, raised to the third power. All right, this is going to be equal to x to the 2 times 3. And 2 times 3 is 6, so that's x to the 6th power. All right, let's try another one. Let's say s cubed raised to the 5th power. All right. This means that we were going to take s and we're going to multiply the 3 times the 5, and 3 times 5 is 15, so that becomes s to the 15th power. If I were to draw that out for you, basically s to the third, so I have s to the third 5 times. S to the third, s to the third, s to the third, and s to the third. So that would be 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. And that's why we end up with 15. So s to the 15. Not sure s was the best letter to use there, but that's s. All right, and that's what it looks like to raise a power to a power.